Is a powerful business communication tool like RingCentral completely useless without a Wi-Fi connection? It's a question that gets at the very heart of how modern communication works. We're so accustomed to being always on, always connected, that the thought of a service being tied to a single type of network can be a real point of anxiety for a business owner, a remote worker, or anyone who needs to stay reachable. In today's fast-paced world, the idea of being tethered to a physical location or a single network type just doesn't work. We need the flexibility to take a call from our desk, jump on a video meeting from a coffee shop, or check a message while on the go. This is where the core functionality of a service like RingCentral comes into play. It's built on a technology that is designed for this very purpose: Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP. At its most basic, VoIP is what lets you make phone calls using an internet connection instead of a traditional telephone line. Think of it this way. Instead of your voice traveling over copper wires, it's converted into data packets and sent over the internet. This is a game changer, and it's the foundation of RingCentral. So, to answer the question directly, yes, RingCentral requires an internet connection. But here's the crucial distinction. It doesn't just require Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is simply one type of internet connection. RingCentral is designed to be flexible, adapting to whatever internet connection you have available. Let's break down what that means for you in the real world. First, there's the desktop experience. If you're working from your office, your computer is likely connected to a high-speed wired internet connection via an Ethernet cable. This is often the most stable and reliable option for RingCentral's desktop app, especially for video meetings and large file transfers. It provides the consistent bandwidth needed for crystal-clear calls and smooth video. Then there's Wi-Fi. This is the convenience we all know and love. In the office, you might be connected to the company's Wi-Fi network. At home, it's your personal router. The RingCentral desktop and mobile apps seamlessly switch to and from Wi-Fi, allowing you to move around without losing your connection. As long as your Wi-Fi is reliable and has enough bandwidth, your RingCentral experience will be excellent. But what happens when you leave the office or your home? This is where RingCentral's true power and flexibility shine. The RingCentral mobile app is a key part of the platform, turning your smartphone into a full-featured business phone. And what's a smartphone's primary way of staying connected when you're not on Wi-Fi? Cellular data. The RingCentral app works perfectly well on your cellular data plan, whether that's 3G, 4G, or the much faster 5G. When you're out and about on a commute or at a remote job site, your phone's data connection is your lifeline. The app is smart enough to use this connection to make and receive calls, send messages, and join meetings. In fact, many users configure the app to prioritize their cellular data for calls to ensure the highest quality, especially if they are in an area with a strong signal. This brings up an important point: bandwidth. The quality of your RingCentral experience is directly tied to the quality of your internet connection. For a standard voice call, RingCentral recommends a certain amount of bandwidth per call. For video meetings, that requirement goes up. A high-speed, stable connection, whether it's wired, Wi-Fi, or cellular, is the key to an optimal experience. A weak Wi-Fi signal or a slow data connection will likely result in choppy calls, dropped connections, or poor video quality. So, while RingCentral doesn't specifically require Wi-Fi, it absolutely requires a reliable internet connection. Wi-Fi is just one of many ways to achieve that. The beauty of the platform is its ability to adapt. Let's consider some scenarios. Imagine you're a salesperson who needs to take a call in your car. With the RingCentral app on your phone, you don't need to worry about finding a Wi-Fi hotspot. Your cellular data plan is all you need. Or maybe you're a remote worker whose home Wi-Fi goes down unexpectedly. Instead of panicking, you can switch off Wi-Fi on your phone and continue to take calls and messages using your cellular data. Your clients will never know the difference. What about a physical desk phone? RingCentral also offers VoIP phones that look and function like traditional office phones. These devices, however, are also powered by the internet. They connect to your network via an Ethernet cable, not a phone jack. So, even with a physical desk phone, the internet connection is still the critical component. In essence, RingCentral is a platform that uses the internet as its backbone. It's designed to be flexible and resilient, giving you multiple ways to stay connected. Whether you're at your desk on a wired connection, lounging at home on your Wi-Fi, or on the road using cellular data, RingCentral works by leveraging the power of the internet to keep you in touch. The service's ability to adjust to different network environments is what makes it so powerful for businesses of all sizes, especially those with remote or mobile workforces. It's not about being limited to a single type of connectivity, but rather about having the freedom to communicate from anywhere, using any available internet connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.